to one more part, which is very important because we are discussing presbyopia, is the times we are through, which is COVID-19 or COVID-19. And we are slightly confused about the eyewear of the patient. And well, if you really see, even during this time, your presbyopes can wear contact lenses. There is no problem on that, but they have to follow the hand hygiene, the case hygiene, the contact lenses hygiene, and if there is a flu-like symptom, they should not be wearing their contact lenses during that point of time. Now, when it comes to glasses, it is very, very important that they disinfect their glasses as well, because your presbyopes are much more vulnerable to this virus, and the virus can stay on metals and plastic for days together. So when we talk about presbyopes, contact lenses and specs, they have to disinfect and clean their specs regularly as well whenever they're coming in contact with something from outside. This is something which our patients keep on forgetting. They know how to clean their hands, they know how to clean their contact lenses, but they are not taught vigorously on how to clean their glasses. So, they should use soap and water or alcohol wipes if soap and water is not there. Even if alcohol wipes are not there, then they can at least use a hand sanitizer. But at least let them sanitize their glasses. And particularly with multifocal contact lenses, if they have a habit of popping a reading glasses now and then, they have to be, extra careful with that, because, this, once you touch this and you touch the nose and the mouth, the virus can get in as well. So, do remember to tell this to your patients, and also for your presbyope patients, do tell them to sanitize their mobile phones, because the virus has been found active in certain studies on a mobile phone for as long as 7 days. Though it loses its power after 3 or 4 days, but it is still active, and mobile phone gets very close to your mouth and nose. So do tell them to follow this, and you as a practitioner also follow this as well. Probably with a bit of an exercise, with a bit of a immunity boosting diets, with a bit of a sleep, and with a bit of a happiness, we will be able to overcome this COVID-19, and our patients will also be safe from COVID-19 or COVID-19 if you are actually able to give these instructions to your presbyopic patient as well. So do not forget that.